Hello, doing a quick recording here of PUBG. We are playing on the Intel Xeon E5 2650 V2 paired with the GTX 1060 video card. The settings that we are currently playing on are by default, they're a mix of medium and low settings. I just hit this restore to defaults, and these are the settings that it automatically gave me here. We're playing all at 1920 by 1080p. And I do have MSI Afterburner running in the top left hand corner of the screen, so you can watch the frame rate counter there as well as the frame time graph. And yes, of course, we do have our CPU and GPU usage monitoring there as well. And yeah, I will mention I'm not great at this game at all. I just have it to test out the performance of like just a whole bunch of systems that I build. And yeah, hopefully we don't die immediately and I can run around. You can kind of get an idea of how the system does perform. And yeah, we are also recording using the system while playing simultaneously. We're using OBS Studios to do that, so that is cool. It also, I guess, gives you the option as the end user to set this kind of stuff up yourself. So yeah, that's cool. We'll be landing here in a second. I'm just going to come down to the ground, and then we'll be running around. So yeah, I just recommend keep an eye out on the frame rate counter. Oh my goodness. Yeah, just keep an eye out on the frame rate counter. And yeah, just watch the recording and that'll give you the most accurate idea of how the system will perform. As well, you can keep an eye out on the CPU and GPU usage, and that'll give you an idea if there are any bottlenecks or anything like that. We gotta reload this other weapon here. Alright, we can't really pick anything else up. We do not have a backpack, I think is what is needed. So we'll just grab this here. Alrighty, here I'll just demonstrate here. It's really smooth. I'll grab the pistol for this. Alright, there are other players here, but you can see that I can move my character around really quickly. It's super responsive. Currently we're sitting about 80 frames per second. I find 80 frames per second is what you can expect on average. It'll go down to about 60 in some parts of the map, but in most cases 80 frames per second is what you can expect with this system. So I think that's pretty cool, but of course that is up to you to decide. So yeah, I'd recommend just keep an eye out on the recording, and yeah, that'll basically pick up everything that I'm experiencing. See if we can grab a couple more things before we start running around. Yeah, I really don't know how to play this game, so I wasn't kidding. So let's see if we can figure out what other weapons we can pick up here. Alright, let's reload our SCAR, I believe this is. Yeah, there we go. So I'm just going to run around a little bit more. You can see it's super responsive. I can easily like shoot other players and stuff like that. Here, I guess we can take this motorbike. I guess we have to get into the actual driving seat. How do we Alright, I guess we have to get into the driving seat. There we go. We'll just cruise around the map a little bit. Hopefully not die, but who knows. Yeah, I just said that and like I literally cannot play this game. Alright, pick up motorbike. Come on, pick up motorbike. Let's see if we can actually flip this motorbike. But I think we pretty much can't. No. Yeah, someone sees us. This is what I hate about PUBG, is that I can't see them. So hopefully we can run around here and not get shot. Because I don't know where the other player is. Alright, we'll just put that on here. Yeah, it's one of my problems. The reason I don't play PUBG is because I can't actually see the other players. Like, they're so small and so, like, I don't know, there's so much detail in the game that it makes it difficult to see. I can't tell where I'm getting shot from, which is the problem. But I would assume it's from the city. So, yeah, we're probably going to end up dying here. I'm just going to run around a little bit more, hopefully not get shot out of the midair, but probably will, just because most of these players are actually really good. So, yeah, if you guys hopefully found this helpful, and yeah, it can kind of give you an idea of how like a system like this we'll play PUBG. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. And again, this is the Intel Xeon E5 2650 V2 paired with the GTX 1060 6GB video card. And yeah, thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, let me know. Thanks.